So, diagnosis, frozen shoulder.
I've never heard of frozen shoulder before.
Hello people!
Hello people!
It's been a while.
It's been about 8 days, 9 days.
Maybe.
Yeah. Last time we vlogged it was the birthday. Yeah, it was the birthday.
Reveal.
Yes, so this is our second vlog since we've got back the camera.
Yeah.
And what can we say? We're on our way to the doctor's.
Yeah.
The doctor's is about 5 minutes walk from our house.
10 minutes.
About 10 minutes.
5 minutes for him.
Yeah, 10 minutes for her. Short legs. She's got a situation. What's your situation?
My shoulder is limited movement and I'm not sure what's wrong with it. So
Right shoulder.
My right shoulder.
Yeah.
So it's painful. So I'm going to see what it is, you know. Is it a shoulder sprain?
Right.
Is it dislocation? I don't know.
No, because we've tried everything. It's been going on for about a month now.
Yeah.
And don't really like going to the doctors for everything. So what we've been trying to do at home is some massage
and trying to manipulate it by
stretching and you know, trying to move it, trying to get the nicks out, but nothing seemed to work. So we've decided to go to the doctor. We've speculated that maybe it's strain from carrying like loads or where she works, you know, because sometimes she says she's not supposed to, but she says she does do some lifting at the work when she gets impatient.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
Don't wait for the men, you know.
Yeah. And I also speculated that maybe it's because you slept on it, you know, because that's the side she likes, sleep facing me.
I'm hearing his snoring.
So that's the situation. What else been going on? The week seemed to be a very hectic week for some reason. Yeah, because, well, one, we've been doing the exercises.
Oh yes, we started back that.
Our exercise routine, we wake up a bit cranky because you know, when you wake up, all the pains from the exercise, so we have to get over that phase. And then the next issue that we've been having this week, I felt like it's been I feel like it's been I feel as if it's been a hectic week because this week I had to battle with 2 offices. Oh, yeah. Yes, because in Switzerland is supposed to be one of the countries that offers the best quality of life in the world.
Yeah.
And what that actually means, that means lifestyle versus income evens out.
Definitely.
So after one pays their bills,
you have some money left.
You have some money left in your pocket for leisure, and you still could stash a little bit for saving.
Rainy day,
yeah, so that is the claim of quality of life. A couple of years ago, Switzerland was #1.
Now it's, I think, #3.
Now I think it's #3. I think Luxembourg is #1.
Yeah.
It also means that people who work in Switzerland are paid decent, you know. But there's a catch to this.
You're paid what you're worth.
Yeah.
There is a catch.
There's a catch to this, and the catch, I believe, has been affecting us this week. Because every so often in Switzerland, people will send you random bills, you know, bills that you're unaware of. But because most people here are living so comfortable, people don't so much challenge these bills.
They pay it.
Some people just pay it.
Yeah, just to get them off the back.
Yeah, but I'm not like that.
No.
You know, so this week we got two bills. One we've seen before, like about a year ago. And I had to write like a very mean letter to the company and says, you know, we've been through this already.
Yeah.
We don't owe you any money. You know, all our bills are paid.
Yeah.
So back up.
Exactly.
You know. And then there was another bill that we've never seen before that just came out of the blue. We've had no association with the company, no business, you know. And then so for me, that irritated me a little, you know, but we've lived in Switzerland long enough, so we kind of understand this does happen. You know, it's not the first time. It's not the first time people send us bills, and we didn't know them or we didn't hold them. You know, so we're by our doctors at the moment. What time is it? Because our appointment is at 12.
Well, we got 15 minutes.
And we have something else to do today. Jay is at 8, he's leaving school. Yeah, he has to do an apprenticeship when he leaves school. He has to look for a job, and we have to go and talk with somebody today about his possibilities, so we're doing that later. Yeah, it's like you would call that person like an assessment officer. Yeah. In Switzerland, it's mandatory for all the children when they're leaving school that they have to take up apprenticeship. Yeah. Even if they're going to university or college, apprenticeship is mandatory. Yeah, and it's a paid apprenticeship. Yeah, but they bring home decent money, some money. Maybe about 25–30% of what an adult would normally bring home. So we have to go sort that out in a couple hours, and then we need to go to the supermarket. Our kitchen is bare. It is so bare. We are starving. It's just rice and flour. Yeah. And last night I was lost for what to make to eat, but Jay does he does cooking at school on Thursdays. Yeah. So he brought home something, but he made tiramisu. Yeah, but I wasn't feeling tiramisu last night because we still have cake left. I did do a little video, me and Jay, of the cake, not the making of it, just after you finish. Oh, I've got the making of it, but it's not a good vlog. It's just there's no talking. It's just what I've put in the bowl and stuff. So okay, so we could come throw it together. Yeah. Okay, so see what we've done with it now. Check it out now. Wow, hope you enjoyed that little clipette or whatever montage we came up with. You seem a bit far away, man. Oh, there you are. She's so short, so it's hard to get her full body, you know. But anyway, we're by our doctors now. Yep, we're about to go in. Yeah, so I definitely know we can't film inside, so. Ciao for now.
Doctor's waiting room always look the same.
It's like that. We're the only one here.
Back from the doctor.
This is half an hour later. And let me come on that side and take the camera from you. So it's Europe.
So diagnosis. Frozen shoulder.
I've never heard of frozen shoulder before. I
have, but you know, when you don't have these things, you don't pay any mind to it. But I've heard about it, and it's what is it now? It's just what am I trying to say? It's from a neck. It's from the neck. It's not actually the shoulder. It's the neck. So I don't know what I done. Maybe it's I had what do you call it now? With crooked neck.
Hold on. There's a lot of noise going on. Plane is going over. So go ahead.
Yeah. So I heard about it, but I wasn't 100% sure what it was or anything. So she offered physiotherapy because she said the doctor says that it's going to be a few months before I'm back to normal. So yeah, it's good news. I was panicking.
The doctor, like myself, she doesn't really believe in electrode medication, you know, or electrode therapy.
Yeah.
So what she's done, she's given us
She's given us cream.
Creams
well, it's
and
not there.
Oh, it's not there. Well, we got a whole bunch of medication. Got a whole bunch of medication anyway.
So we're gonna try. It's like a deep heat cream.
Yeah.
A massage cream. So we're gonna try that first because the physiotherapy includes electrotherapy.
Yeah.
And she also suggested acupuncture, but we're gonna work with the cream first, and if that doesn't work, then we'll go to physiotherapy.
Right. I like and I don't. You know what I'm saying is, when it comes to electronics as medication or therapy, it's last resort for me.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Yeah.
I remember once I went to London and I did a facial.
Yeah.
In Park Lane in central London.
Okay.
And that was electro.
Yeah.
And my face was rejuvenated. So great. I mean, it was like
there you go.
brand new, but is it really good? Is it does it have any side effects like a microwave, for example? So this is where I'm worried about her, you know, because we're still young. I don't want any unnecessary side effects.
No. Well, the thing is, for me, I just want the pain to go because it's painful.
I understand that, babe, but what I'm trying to say is nothing beats natural healing.
Yeah.
You know, so the whole electrode therapy, I would leave it for last resort. So the decision that was made is let's try this deep heat medication with some massage for the next 2 weeks. If it doesn't ease up, if there's no improvement, then we will go for physiotherapy. But, you know, my aim is to take care of her, you know, and like I say, natural healing is my what you would call that, is my preference. Yeah, natural healing is my preference. So. We got 2 pairs in the fridge. So I decided to make this one mine before they both disappear. Check this out. Eating pear before they disappear. You get it? Disappear. That's wordplay right there. Anyway, we're home. I'm eating this pear. I was gonna eat one of my festival.
Oh, you still got some?
Yes, let me show my festival. Come on. In Jamaica, they have traditional, they got festival mix, but I kind of made mine from scratch. So obviously it's not, what's it there? Obviously it's not, hold my pear, don't let it disappear. It's not the traditional way. But this is one of my festival. Yeah.
Tastes good though.
Say again.
It tastes good.
In Jamaica, they say when someone when someone makes a statement and someone sneezes, it signifies that a person is telling the truth. Okay. So it tastes good, and I just sneezed.
Yes. so it's good.
Yeah.
True. You give me the carrot again.
No, I'm just showing it again. So what is this? This is cornmeal, flour, some baking powder,
sugar,
and some sugar, and that was it. Did my festival. So I'm gonna have some in a minute, but for now, I'm gonna have this. So we're gonna go in. We've got 1:30.
So we've got a 3:30 appointment. So in another hour
and a half, we will get ready to leave.
Yeah. We're in parent mode.
Parental mode. Parent meeting mode.
Blazers out.
Mr. and Mrs. Sebas. Junior Sebas. Yeah. So, this is our parent mode. Oh, Jay's here. So, if you, let's show our audience what we look like.
Yes.
Depending on the meeting. You know, if it's really official, then I wear a shirt. But it's semi-official, so I decided to go casual smart. Jeans, dress shoes of course, a blazer, and a t-shirt. If I take this off and take off my shoes and put on something, I'm fully casual. So casual smart.
So me, blazer, just a little tank top, black, and culottes, you know, and espadrilles. Yes.
Yeah. If it's not very, very important, she will carry her, I would call it Louis Vuitton Junior.
Yes.
This is the old Louis.
This is the old one.
So when it's something more official, then we do
take out the boss.
Take out the boss. So yeah. Anyway, because we're editing at the same time as we are filming, it's not much to film on the way to or there. It's meetings. So meetings everywhere in the world is pretty much the same. So we're not gonna do any more vlogging for today.
No, so we will see you when we get back. Let you know how, maybe let you know how the meeting went.
Well, we're not gonna do any more vlogging for today.
Ah, okay.
No.
Sorry.
Yeah, so because at the moment, I was watching the timing on the vlog and we were already at 16 minutes. We try to keep our vlogs at about 20, 25 minutes, you know, and we want to keep it exciting.
Exactly.
That's it for now. Until next time, people, thanks for watching.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.